How to view your page albums on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your page albums on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down. Here you will find the pages and then click this one. And here just here you will find photos. Click on it and here you will find your albums, and that's it. This is of course, and you can create album. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.